Welcome to the fourth presentation of integration using trigonometric identities. And my dear friend, in the previous three lessons, we learned how can we find the integral of many different type of integrand using trigonometric identities, and what are the standard formula of trigonometry for integration, and how to convert the expression into the formula usable, standard formula usable form. All right, those all stuff we learned. And again, our here integrand is cosine of 2x times cosine of 4x times cosine of 6x, and we don't have the direct formula for such type of integrand where we have the three term. All right, so we have to work out here. We need to simplify our integrand in such a form that where we can directly use the standard form of formula for trigonometric identities, those 6 formula that we had discussed in the previous sections. All right, so what can we do? And next thing, how do we simplify, how do we work here so that we can convert into them? That also comes here. Neither we have a formula for something like this, like cos A, cos B, cos C, so we can use only the formula, this one here, cosine of A times cosine of B. In trigonometry we don't have a formula, direct formula, something like this, cosine of A times cosine of B times cosine of C. So cosine of A times cosine of B, this type of formula we can use here. We can either suppose this as a this as a B, or this as a or this as a B, anyhow we can suppose. We can take 2 cos A cos B like that, or this 2 or this 2, any whatever you suppose. And the formula for cos A cos B is 1 by 2 cosine of A plus B plus cosine of A minus B. So this formula I'm going to use it here, and my integrand is getting converted into now cosine of I'm just going to use this as a cos A cos B, right? Cos 2x times, now this is cos A cos B, so it's going to be 1 by 2 cosine of A plus B, that is 4x plus 6x, that is 10x, plus cosine A minus B, right, that is 4x minus 6x, that is minus 2x. all right, and now in the next step we can write cosine 2x, and this is 1 by 2, so I can write this 1 by 2 outside, and cos 2x will multiply this cos 10x, so it will be cos 10x, and plus again cos 2x will multiply this negative of cos 2x. And my friend, cosine of minus theta is cos theta, so cosine of minus 2x will be cos 2x, and when this cos 2x get multiplied by this, by this cos 2x, so it will be square of 2x. okay, and dx. all right, and my dear friend, one more time we need to use cos A cos B formula. This is cos 2x cos 10x, so cos A cos B, so it's 1 by 2 integration 1 by 2 cos A plus B cos 2x plus 10x. all right, so that is 12x. all right, cos A plus B we used, and now plus cos A minus B, that is 2x minus 10x, that is cos negative of 8x. okay, and plus this cos square 2x, cos square 2x. okay, now one more thing, my dear friend, we don't have the direct formula for like integration of cos square 2x, so we have to convert this cos square 2x into some normal form where we can directly use the trigonometric formula of integration. Like, we don't have the formula for cos square 2 theta or theta, whatever, d theta we don't have. So what we can do, we can use the identity that is called 2 cos square theta minus 1 equals to cosine of 2 theta, and cos square theta, 2 cos square theta is going to be 1 plus cos 2 theta, and cos square theta is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 theta, right? What a bad cos 2 theta it is, cos 2 theta. So here in the place of now this cos square 2x, I'm going to use 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 cos 2 theta. Now see here very nicely, when our here angle was theta, it is twice of theta, so when it is angle 2x, so it will be twice of 2x, that is 4x. okay, all right, and then the big bracket is getting closed. Okay, dx. And now let's solve this all and we'll get the answer. See here, this 1 by 2 is going to multiply this 1 by 2, so you will get to 1 by 4 cosine of 12x, and again plus this 1 by 2 times 1 by 2, 1 by 4, that 1 by 4 is going to multiply this cosine of negative 8x is cosine of positive 8x, because I already told you here that cosine of negative theta is cosine of theta. Alright, dx. And now plus this 1 by 2 is going to multiply this 1 by 2, so you'll get to 1 by 4 dx. And at the same time I'm putting those, I'm multiplying by this integration symbol also to every term. And again this 1 by 2 is going to multiply this 1 by 2, so you'll get 1 by 4 cosine of 4x dx. Okay, so let's go for the integration. And you know, my friend, integration of cosine of theta with respect to theta is sine theta plus constant. So this identity I'm going to use, this formula I'm going to use, this standard formula of integration for the trigonometric ratio cos theta. Alright, so it's now, so 1 by 4 as it is, and integration of cos 12x is sine 12x. And my dear friend, oh my god, I forget here dx. Alright, so see, when it is theta and it is theta, it's sine theta plus c. But when it is, let's say, 2 theta, then we have to divide by 2. And when it is 3 theta, we have to divide by 3. Means we need to divide by the angle's derivative, you know, if we are not going to differentiate with respect to that angle, you know. I simply want to say that integration of cosine of any angle with respect to that angle is sine of that angle, but integration of, let's say, any, you know, n times angle with respect to angle is sine theta divided by angle's derivative, that we have discussed already. So it's going to be divided by 12 and plus constant 1, and then again it's 1 by 4, and integration of cos 8x will be sine 8x, and derivative of 8x is 8, so it will divide 8 plus constant 2 and plus 1 by 4, and integration of dx is simply x and constant 3, and the last one plus 1 by 4, integration of cos 4x is sine 4x divided by 4 plus constant 4. Alright, now the answer is going to be 1 by 4 times 12, so that's, so oh my friends, see, check it out. One thing, here is also 1 by 4, 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 so I'm taking 1 by 4 common outside, and it is now sine 12x divided by 12 plus, I'm writing first these terms, sine 8x divided by 8. I'll write the constants later. Alright, and this is x by simply x plus this sine 4x by sine 4x by 4. Alright, bracket close, and you know, this 1 by 4 will multiply this constant, 1 by 4 will multiply this constant, this will multiply this constant, you know, this will multiply again another constant. So all those are arbitrary constants, so together I'm writing a common constant for them. Alright, those all represents, let's say, the constant c, and that's our integral, that's our solution. Okay, this was quite lengthy. I hope you did not get bored, you did not slept while learning this. Okay, and if there is any confusion or any doubt to ask me in this section, then please feel free to comment below this video, and please like the video and subscribe the channel.